Michael Turner, 42, was once known as the most dependable man in town, until life changed him.
As a kid, he wanted to become a musician and promised himself he'd never quit.
Everyone believed he was destined for something big.
His father pushed him too hard. Music started feeling like a burden.
At 17, he quit music completely. He found a stable job, married, and became a father, but his heart remained empty.
Responsibilities consumed him. Promises to be a present father were forgotten.
Stress led him to alcohol, a slow poison.
After years of broken promises, his wife left with their son. For the first time, he confronted the man he had become. The guitar reminded him of the boy who once believed.
His fingers had forgotten, but his heart remembered.
He started practicing every night after work. Seeing others perform gave him courage. His voice cracked, but the audience clapped.
His teenage son felt something shift inside.
He apologized, truly, for the first time. They talked, awkward at first, but honest.
His son smiled, a rare gift Michael hadn't seen in years.
His son agreed, hesitantly.
He announced a song dedicated to his son.
The performance touched him deeply. Michael felt alive for the first time in decades.
His son whispered, "I'm proud of you, Dad."
He sought therapy to overcome alcohol dependency and guilt.
She noticed the change in him. Genuine, steady, real.
He started writing and producing heartfelt songs. He raised money for families struggling with addiction. A local label offered to publish his songs. He couldn't change the past, but he built a new future.